Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. One of the biggest problems that I have all the time is my bookmarks keeps on falling out of my books. So today, to fix that problem, we are making a DIY magnetic bookmark. Let's get started. First, let's create a simple bookmark. Cut out a rectangle from some patterned cardstock, then fold that in half. Then use some clear packing tape and some magnets. Stick your magnets onto the clear packing tape facing down. I have these magnets that have different words on them. I'm just going to use those today. Make sure that the magnets attract to each other. Then you can stick one magnet to one side of the bookmark. Then place your other magnet on top of it. Once it attracts to it, then fold the top flap over. This way it will line perfectly with everything. Cut off any excess tape with a pair of scissors. And you're done. You have a basic magnetic bookmark. It won't ever fall out of your books again. But if you want to make something extra special, we are now going to create an ice cream bookmark, or you can look like anything you want it to look like. So I drew out an ice cream cone with some Copic markers. You don't have to use Copic markers. You can use anything you want, really. You can also print out an image. You don't even have to draw the image out yourself. You can also use stickers for this part. It's totally up to you. So I did some basic Copic coloring, more like drawing because I didn't do any line art this time. I drew out my ice cream cone, and once I was happy with how it looked, I cut it out. Then you want to flip your image over and then draw it onto another piece of cardstock. And I'm going to color everything in a mirror image. So it has to be like the exact mirror of it. So it's like the image flipped over. And I'm trying to get the colors and the look of it as close as possible. It really doesn't have to be exact. Then I cut out my second image out with a pair of scissors again. Then as you can see now, they like line up like that because they're like mirror images of each other. Then I did some adjustments to everything with the pair of scissors. Now I got out some clear packing tape again, and we are going to sort of laminate everything. We're not actually laminating it. So basically I put my pieces down, the good side onto the sticky side. Then I covered the whole thing with tape and I cut them out. So basically this is going to add some more durability, and if you touch wet hand to it, it won't like rip or anything. Once I have my first piece cut out, I cut out my second piece. Then I'm going to get out my magnets. I'm using the same magnets again, the ones that have like different words on them. Make sure that they attract to each other, they don't repel from each other. Then using some tape, I'm going to tape one magnet down to one ice cream cone and the other magnet to the other ice cream cone. So again, making sure that the magnet side is facing the sticky side of the tape, I cut everything out, leaving a border, and then I taped everything down. Very simple. And then cut off any excess and repeat the same with the other ice cream cone. So once you have all of the ice cream cones magnetized, I don't know if that's a word, then cut out a strip of some pink cardstock, or it can be any color of your choice, and fold that in half. Then tape one side of the strip to one ice cream cone and then the other side to the other ice cream cone. This part is very self-explanatory. It's very hard to explain it, so you can just see what I'm doing. And then I placed my other ice cream cone on top of it, making sure that it lined up. Then I taped it down. It really sounds very complicated when I explain it, but it's not that complicated really. Then using a glue stick, I glue the top part of my ice cream cone down, and that's it. Our bookmarks are done. I love the way they turned out, especially the ice cream cone. It was so easy and simple to make, and now it won't ever fall out of your books. You have a nice secure bookmark. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!